Do you often feel puffy, sluggish, or just uncomfortably full even when you haven't overeaten? That's bloating. But here's the catch. With just 5 days of the right reset, you can feel lighter, clearer, and more energized. First, let's understand why bloating happens. The most common culprits include overeating or eating too quickly, excess salt, processed foods, and sugar, food intolerances like dairy or gluten, stress, and irregular sleep, which directly affects gut motility, and sometimes a sluggish gut microbiome that struggles to digest efficiently. When these factors pile up, your digestion system gets overwhelmed, leading to acidity, water retention, and bloating. Hi, I'm Shivani Mehra, head nutritionist at the Wellness Co. And today I will walk you through the Wellness Co's 5 days gut reset plan. Day 1. Start with clean slate, no processed foods, no excess caffeine, just warm, simple meals like homemade khichdi, dal rice, and bowl full of homemade clean soup. And here's the part most people miss: hydration. Drinking 2 to 2.5 liters of water is great, but when your body needs that extra boost, the Wellness Co IV drips therapies can be a game changer. Right now, I'm going to get mine. It's quick, efficient, and helps flush out toxins while restoring essential electrolytes. Day 2 is all about your gut microbiome. Add probiotics like yogurt, kimchi, or homemade pickle. Add prebiotics like banana, garlic, or asparagus. These foods feed your good bacteria and help reduce bloating naturally. And for deeper detox, I like to pair this with infrared sauna session. It improves circulation, reduces inflammation, detoxes the liver, and helps your body release what it doesn't need. Day 3 is where we bring in a little herbal support to calm your gut. I've made one of my favorite teas. It's really simple. Just add a teaspoon of fennel seeds, a few fresh mint leaves, and a slice of ginger into hot water. Let it steep for 5 minutes and it's ready. Day 4 brings movement and mindfulness. Gentle exercise keeps digestion flowing, and EMS Pilates is one of my favorite. It activates your deep core muscles and improves posture. And when it's meal time, eat slowly, chew thoroughly, and avoid distractions. Trust me, your digestion will thank you for this. Day 5 is your anti-inflammatory reset. Give your gut good support with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory foods. Think citrus fruits, nuts and seeds, along with leafy greens and spices like turmeric. By now, your gut will feel calmer, your energy is steadier, and bloating will go down. This 5-day gut reset is simple, effective, and something anyone can start at home. But if you want to go deeper, our Debloat and Reset Protocol at the Wellness Co combines these nutrition steps with advanced therapies from IV drips to EMS trainings for faster, longer-lasting results. Thank you for joining me in today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.